Hello Luos user, it's Manu. So today I'll show you in a quick video how to set up and to install Pyluos. So Pyluos is the standard Python library to manage a Luos system with a computer. If you want to follow this tutorial, you can go in our docs.luos.io in software control and in Pyluos. So first of all, of course, you need to install Python. There is a link just here. In my case, I installed Python 3 for Mac OS X. So you can use this link just here. Once you install Python 3, we need a package manager to install Pyluos. We use pip, which is the standard package to manage manager for Python. So if you don't have already pip, you can install it with this line. You copy it and you paste it in a terminal. Okay, so it goes very quickly. And to install pip, you copy the second line and you paste it in the same terminal. So in my case, I already have pip, so I think it will uninstall and reinstall again pip. So if everything goes well, it go quick. Okay, so I install pip, and then we use a tool which is Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook will allow you to type Python commands in an internet browser to communicate with a Luos system through Pyluos. So to install Jupyter, you need to copy this line, pip install Jupyter in a terminal. So I paste this line. Okay, so here we are, and now we can launch. We need to install Pyluos. For this, it just pip install Pyluos. So you copy paste this line in the same terminal, and it will go very quickly. It's a little package. So here we are. We have installed Python, pip, Jupyter, and Pyluos. So now we can use Pyluos to develop something in Luos through Pyluos. If you want to launch Jupyter, you need to copy this line, so Jupyter space notebook in a terminal. It will launch the tool in your internet browser. So in my case, it's in Chrome. Okay, and now you can create a new Python 3 sheet. Okay, and to see if everything goes well, you can copy paste this line from Pyluos import device, and if it works, okay, and you can execute this line. There is no error, so Pyluos is well installed in my computer. See you later.